In the mail today, I received the low noise propellers for the DJI Phantom 4 Pro 2.0. Well, I don't have a Phantom 4 Pro 2.0, but I do have a Phantom 4 Pro. So I'm going to take a video with the original props that came with the drone, which came out a year and a half ago. And I'm gonna put the low noise ones on, and I'm gonna see if you can tell the difference. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this camera pointing exactly where it's pointing. Behind me is the Phantom 4. I'm gonna fly it up at exactly the same height, and I'm gonna fly it with the old props, and then I'm gonna fly it with the new props, and I'm just gonna cut the video in between and put a little A and a B up top. And you have to guess which ones are the low noise and which ones are the originals. Here we go. Alright, so there's the original prop and there's the low noise prop. You notice how this one's fatter and this one is skinnier as it goes to the tip? Well, the skinniness makes it high pitched and the fattiness makes it a little bit lower pitched. But honestly, to my ears, which are really old, even though I'm a musician, I really couldn't tell a massive difference. I could certainly hear there was a lower frequency with this and a higher frequency with this, but not enough to say like, wow, these are so low noise that nobody's going to hear my Phantom. No, they're still going to hear it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this little demo. It was a lot of fun. The sun's going down. I got to get out of here. Till next time, catch you in the next video.